Hello everyone, Civil Defense Southerner speaking, and today we are flying Allegiant Air from Sanford, Florida to Toledo, Ohio. The date is July 8th, 2022. And as you can see, this is the flight for Toledo, Ohio. It is Allegiant Flight 2236, and at gate 15, remarks is on time. And right here is Cheeseburger Express off camera. I got some cheeseburgers and fries from here, and it's a really nice restaurant that they have here. Beside it is this new place called Zaza Coffee, and I believe before it used to be a Starbucks, but it closed down a long time ago. But Zaza Coffee has since acquired the former location. Right here is the Galleria at gift shop at Orlando Sanford Airport. A long time ago, before I was a fire alarm collector, I used to get Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars from here a lot. And as far as I know, they aren't sold here anymore, but I'm just taking you a brief look at the gift shop. And right over there is the Hudson News Store that is affiliated by the Galleria gift shop. So that's a brief look here. Over here is the check-in counter down below, right in the dining area next to the restaurants of the airport, which is very nice. Oh, our airplane is here. This is probably an Airbus A319 or an A320, which will take us to Toledo, Ohio. And there it is, right there. The airplane has just arrived from Niagara Falls, Buffalo, New York State, and we should be boarding shortly. It has begun. Alright, so we got seated in seat 25F, right near in the back of the aircraft. And this is an Airbus A319. As you can see, there's the baggage door from there while baggage is being unloaded. And that's the seat I'm using for today's flight. Right here is the Sunseeker magazine, showing about tourist destinations in certain places of the U.S., like such as the mountains of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, or the Tastes and Tunes, or the beaches of St. Pete and Clearwater, and the route map of Allegiant Air, and the menu service from Allegiant's Buy on Board, with drinks and foods and all those goodies that a low-cost carrier airline would provide. Right here is the safety card of the Airbus A319, and they've been recently updated since February of 2022, and this is how they look like now. They used to be a lot smaller, but now they're a lot bigger.
At this time, please ensure all cell phones and electronics are powered off or in airplane mode. Personal belongings are pushed all the way forward underneath the seat in front of you.
And now we are beginning our push back out of the gate at Orlando Sanford International Airport. So we are about to bypass the airport fire station at SFB, the Sanford Airport. Right next to it is a scrapyard of some old Allegiant jets that they have kept there. Some of retired A320s, A319s, and some other aircraft being stored and scrapped. And then in that hangar you see right there is the Sheriff's Office of Seminole County, where they keep their helicopters.
clear for landing. Please double check the security wrist seatbelts at this time. We need tray tables in the upright lock position and all personal belongings properly stowed. We'll pass through the cabin one final time, check those certified for anything else that needs to be discarded. Please take a moment to look at the seat pocket near you, the area by your feet, for any of those types of items that you place here during flight. This aircraft is going right back out to Sanford again, and we'd like to try and keep it as clean as possible for our next group of passengers. Once again, we have begun our final descent into Toledo. We'll be landing shortly.
destination, you are going to Toledo. The local time here is approximately 3 o'clock. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and ensure all carry-on items safely stowed and out of the aisle until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your only indication that it's safe for you to get up. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift and inflate. Please refrain from smoking until inside the terminal area and only in designated smoking area. You may now use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. Please refrain from using laptop computers at this time. If you're claiming luggage here in Toledo, please follow the signs for baggage claim. If you have any questions concerning grounds for transportation baggage claim, our uniformed ground representatives will be happy to assist you as you declaim. On behalf of the entire crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. It's been a pleasure serving you, and we hope to see you next time on another Allegiant Air.
Now, alright, so now we are deploying the Airbus A319 that took us on the 2-hour trip to Toledo. This was a wonderful flight to go back to Ohio once again. I keep on with this tradition every summer and every Christmas. And yes, I do have family who live in Northwest Ohio, and so that's the truth. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a cool comment down below telling me what your opinion on the flight report. And be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. And have a great day, everyone. By the way, welcome to Toledo now.